Hey guys, found a new way to almost lose my spark this morning, and here it is.
Landing. Landing.
Alright guys, I just got done flying my DJI Spark, and I almost lost it. And I'm going to tell you how. Went up for a flight because it was foggy, thought I could get a few good shots outside, and lo and behold, the sensors on the DJI Spark do not like the fog. Went for a quick flight, did a few dronies, went up about 100 meters trying to get a cool video of all the ground disappearing, and as soon as I tried to land, it took me about 10 minutes to get it down. It thought it was landing from 100 meters up, and it would just beep at me and slowly come down. This is the first big issue I've had with the DJI Spark. I love this little drone. It's one of my favorite birthday presents I've ever got. My wife did a good job on picking it out, and yeah, I mean, this is one of the first flaws I found, one of the first times I've ever almost lost it. I love the Spark. Hey guys, it's one of my first YouTube videos. Please leave any likes, dislikes, comments, what I can improve upon, or if you have something you want me to test out or do with any of the gadgets or gizmos that I do in my YouTube videos. Please leave any likes, comments below. Thank you.